Hi guys, so today I just purchased Mr. Tuffy a fat tire um, sort of layer, like you put inside the like a liner, bicycle liner that you put inside the tire for to avoid flats. So I just got them today, and yeah, I got two of them. It comes by pairs, and as you can see here, like the material, I don't know what it's made of, but to be honest with you, it looks um, very sturdy. Like when I press it, like I feel like cannot like get through this. I don't think glass can get through this. Like it's really sturdy. Like I don't know how to explain. It's very sturdy. But I mean, you really have to puncture it hard in order to go through this. So if you put this in your tires, well, I'm gonna try it today. Well, I don't know. Like I'm gonna put it, but I don't know how. Like I'm gonna have to wait and see. But I have a good feeling about this. This is a 20 by 4 liners. So yeah, the material is pretty interesting. Yeah. So but the thing is, see, these are like no, these are like 26. Sorry, 26 by 4. Well, 26 by 3.1 to 4 inch. So because I don't have 20 by 4 on Amazon, so I have to buy the 26 by 4. Well, technically, this will be long enough, so I think I'm gonna be able to like go around my bicycle like twice. I'll be able to put two times this layer, which is like super amazing because I'll have two protecting liners inside my wheel. So will it be like already the material is super sturdy, so I'm like, wow. So imagine that. So yeah, I'll give you more feedbacks in the future how it is, and I'm very happy to have this actually because I have like 20 flats in 2 years with my e-bike. So it's like I don't know, man. The fat bikes are like very easy to get flat. So yeah. So let's check it out. I hope this is gonna be good. But it looks very sturdy. Like I'm not lying to you. If it was shit, if it was like not good, I would tell you it's not good. But this looks very good, and I'm gonna have a double layer as well. Ha ha ha. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.